Okay, guys. Ikki Aurora, Gat Inks, Artisans, which we're not going to do a sound test on. Or we can, but. Ikki Aurora Mint, Gat Black Inks with GS2 carbon grease, EPBT caps, aluminum plate. There we go. We'll do the sound test for the Artisan cluster. Let me turn off the fan. Let's zoom in a bit. They're from T-Lab. If you guys are curious, I'll put it right here. T-Lab. T-Lab. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the content you're about to watch today, please feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a follow, do whatever you guys need to do. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you want to catch me on any other platforms, all the links to everything is in the bio down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy the video. Here's the Ikki, by the way. Here is the Ikki. Let's take a look. Very, very nice. Spin to win. Very cool, chat. Very cool. Don't know why there's screws here. Very cool, though. I quite like it. I think it looks very nice. There's the back of this. Dude, look at that color. Figuratively, 20 bits. You should do a split space so we can see what it looks like. Do you guys want me to do split space? This is up to you guys. Do you guys want me to do split space on the Ikki today? So, what's cool about this keyboard, just to go over some interesting notes. What's cool about this is we actually get hotspot. Now I have that in my head. We get hot swap options for both stepped caps lock and normal caps lock. We also have a lot of hot swap options where this enter key is over here. We also have hot swap options for right shift. And we have hot swap options for a bunch of different space bars. So depending on what you guys want me to do today, the optional weight, I don't think I did. No, we didn't get the optional weight in today. But actually, I kind of like the weight of the Ikki just like this. I think this is, to me, it's not too heavy, nor is it too light. This is an ideal weight. So we're gonna go with the inks. I saw a lot of you guys want to go with the inks. Alu plate, please. Normal space build. Okay, let's do a little poll. Let's do a little poll here. I got the poll. I'm gonna make the questions. Split space or reg split. Go ahead and vote, guys. Go ahead and vote, chat. Let's do our stabs first. And we can go from there. All right, let's open this guy here up. Also, guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are expecting like really quick builds with thoughts and stuff, I'd love to do that for you guys, but honestly, I like having fun with chat while we build keyboards. We like taking our time. I find if I rush, we tend to screw things up. So I like taking my time. In case you guys were wondering or scratching your head, streams typically last 2 to 3 hours. But thank you guys for being here. I love all of you guys. So here's the top of this case. You can see all the silicone. This is a lot, kind of cool. Metal inserts for screws. Yeah, metal inserts for the screws as well. How awesome is that? Also, this piece over here, if we take this out here for a second, there is going to be some LEDs that you guys, I think it comes with them, I believe. I have to double check if it comes with them or not, but I believe you can actually do like a logo or something here. You can put like something over here for yourselves. Yeah, it's the LED logo. So the prototype PCB does not have that, but you will be able to do that, I believe, on the final version. Are the LEDs facing the bottom? Yeah, they're underglow LEDs. They're underglow. They're not perky. I'm not really I mean, like, would you really... Here's the thing. Do you guys, like, how many of you guys use the perky LEDs? They are perky. And maybe not on this PCB. I don't know if they're going to be perky on the final version. Perky? Yeah. I just turn off the LED. I mean, like, I never do. Our other PC has perky, but fixed layout. I don't know if this particular one, that's one thing I don't remember reading. Let me check notes for a second, guys. I don't remember if it was gonna be perky or not. I don't remember if this was supposed to have, I don't think so. Yeah, there's nothing here about it being perky LEDs for the final product. I don't think so. Yeah, sorry guys, perky. They're perky. They're perky PCBs. But yeah, nothing that I can see. Nothing that I can see. However, see how mine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LEDs. The final model will have 16 underneath. That's what the final model will have, as well as the option with Poron or silicone gaskets. As an FYI. Those are the things I wanted to mention to you that are not with the version that I am building today. That's the only thing I wanted to mention to you. Also, another really cool thing about this keyboard, if you guys want, you can change up the way this kind of feels. So, you can actually take out these things here. Put this in nicely so it sits nicely in here. So you can take out these to get like a bit of a different feel. And it's only the ones on the side. Only these ones on the side you can take out. So these are modular on the sides. They're a bit modular. Silicone's going to be a bit more dense. However, I kind of like the density of silicone myself. It's a little bit more dense. Poron foam, like a closed cell foam, is going to be a bit more squishy. And you kind of have to get it just right, or else the Poron doesn't really do a whole lot. Like if it condenses too much, the Poron, it ends up doing nothing. Silicone's a little bit more like just right. If you don't condense it too much, it ends up being like a bit more conducive to what I like. I don't know the right word to describe a silicone. I just find it's a bit more bouncier, if that makes more sense. The internal weight would probably go here. So this piece, what comes out, and that's where the internal weight would most likely sit. We're going to do aluminum today. And then this piece comes out too, this big thing at the bottom, but we're not going to take it out. They didn't send you a weight? No, not that I have. I don't have a weight here with me. No weight with me today. But guys, I'll be honest, this has a really nice weight to it already. Like it feels nice. Mint will tint the color a little bit if you're picky about what color the LEDs show up as. Yeah. I'll show you guys what the LEDs look like. I'll be honest, the LEDs, not my cup of tea with this keyboard at all. You'll see. You'll see. All right, let's put this away for a second. Again, I'm not too crazy about the LEDs in this keyboard. If you guys are LED fanatics and you guys want this to like glow up, maybe this is not the keyboard for you. I'll tell you right now though, chat, that's not what's gonna happen. Like it's not gonna you're not gonna notice some like big glow up with this keyboard at all. Okay, let's take this apart. We have to unscrew these here at the bottom. Screwdriver. All right, let me zoom out here a little. Is the enter switch going to be put in vertically? Ooh. Well, the enter switch, these ones, that's a good question. I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, thank you.
There's a lot of hot swap sockets on this, as you guys can tell. There's a crap ton of hot swap sockets, so we're going to find out together. So there is the PCB. Pretty simple. Is this a caps lock indicator? Did they even include a caps lock indicator on this? What? This is the PCB that has it all. Am I right? Is that a caps lock indicator? Oh my god. Dude, this hot swap PCB has it all, dude. What? Holy crap. Wow. And just take a look at this. This is that silicone in between, and there's the aluminum plate. However, we are going to be putting some washers when we screw these particular 4 screws back in. Don't let me forget that, chat. Yeah, I mean, like, they're not, there's no LEDs per key. So, if that's the one thing you guys were looking for, then I'm sorry. It's not, well, I have nothing to be sorry about, but you know what I'm saying. It would be hard to do per key. I mean, this is going to be very complex with per key. Like, extremely complex. All right, let's put in our stabs.
It's you. It's always been you. It's you. It's always been you. It's you. It's always been you. It's you.
Okay. Well, chat. Here we go. There we go. Lubed just enough switches. Oh me, oh my. Okay. Let's grab our case. Looking good. I tried black inks with the unwiped stems a few days ago, and they're stupid smooth. That's actually kind of cool to hear because I have some extra unwiped stems. Also, I'm going to leave these in. I want to see what it feels like with. So we're going to leave those guys in. Now, I'm guessing we should screw this back in, but I don't know if we need to. Troll, thank you so much for your tier 1. I don't like this is already pretty solid, but I mean, I guess I'll screw it in just for the sake of us doing it, because I'm assuming most people will probably screw this back in. So let's do it just for the sake of doing it. Let's just do it for the sake of being thorough. Does that sound good, chat? Do we even, guys, here's my thing. Here's my thing right now. Do we need this L key at all? Do we need this L key? Because I'm pretty sure this keyword's taking a W. Should I get rid of the L? No, I'm joking. That was a freaking terrible joke. I apologize in advance. Nobody liked that. Come on. One person, thank you. Got him. Appreciate you guys. Listen. Ooh. I actually kind of like it with the pink spacebar. Oh. So these, because of the different profile of the caps, you can see how the F and the J sound different. Interesting for the homing keys. No, it's just the two here. The F and the J are scooped. Can I show flex? I'm gonna actually say there's not actually a crap ton of flex with this keyboard. LED check, yeah. LEDs aren't that noticeable though, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. See how they kind of sit like this? Oh, that sounds so much better. That's the only hollow key. Well, I mean, if that's a testament to anything, there's a bit more clack to it. Yeah, this is a testament to how much you can change this board. Wait, here's the... It doesn't sound bad. You're right, Tim. It didn't... It sounds like a really thocky, like, hollow hit on the escape key. If that's a testament to anything, it's how much you can change this board and tune it. Because apparently there's even chips at the top that I didn't know about. You can take up all these. There's a lot you can do. For 129 bucks, I have to admit, this is kind of fun.